Once you've turned your client over, we're now going to start on the back of the leg. As with every area, we're going to start by effleuraging the whole area that you are going to massage. Make sure you've added oil to your hands and make sure there's enough oil all over the leg. Start at the bottom of the leg and then move up all the way just to the bottom of the buttocks. Then we move to the upper part of the back of the leg. Once again, we're going to start with kneading, using the thumb and the index finger, but the whole hand, and knead the whole hamstring muscle, as they call it, from the bottom to the top and from left to right. Make sure you cover the whole area. Make sure you do the kneading nice and heavy, medium pressure here. It's a nice big muscle, so you can really get in there. Then we're going to do cupping again, cupping your hand and just move all over the area, doing quick cupping movements. Make sure you cup your hand so that you don't slap someone's skin, which can be very painful. And then we move into hacking with the side of the hand. Quick, light movements all over the area. And then flipping movements again using the front part of your fingers. Try and move all over the area again, don't just stay in one specific spot. All these movements brings a lot of heat and a lot of blood into the area, which is very good and what we want when we massage. Then we move back to ring movement. Once again, take the whole muscle, move your fingers underneath the leg and bring those thumbs past each other. Once again, make sure you don't pinch the skin when you do so. Back to coining again, using the tips of your fingers and squeezing down like an octopus. Grab the muscle and then come back to the beginning. Once again, we are massaging a nice big area here, so you can really spread your fingers and your hands out when you do this movement. Now we're going to do some knuckling again, basically just crawling with your knuckles from the bottom of the leg all the way to the top, just below the buttocks, and bring your hands back. You can use medium to heavy pressure here, as it's quite a big muscle and you can really get in there. And then we're going to effleurage it before we move back down to the lower part of the leg. Once again, start by effleuraging the lower part of the leg and the calf muscle. We're going to then start with friction movements again, just to make sure we get the area nice and warm and get some blood into the area as well. Simply just use your flat hand, moving quick movements with both hands from top to bottom. Make sure you've got enough oil, otherwise you'll burn the skin. And then we're going to start with kneading again. Kneading the whole muscle using your thumb and your index finger. Medium pressure when you do this. It's a nice muscle to get into and it's very relaxing. Then we're going to use friction movements with the thumbs, starting at the bottom and basically just squeezing and massaging it towards the top. This is once again a very relaxing movement, and make sure you cover the whole area. Don't just stay on one specific spot. The calf muscle is a nice big muscle that does a lot of work wherever you walk, whenever you stand up, and it's a muscle that needs to be massaged and it's very relaxing. Then we move back to coining again. Start at the bottom of the calf muscle and work towards the top. See how the therapist is really squeezing the muscle. Get those fingers around the muscle and bring it back up. We are then going to effleurage the muscle just to finish it off. And that then completes a leg massage.